वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं महेश कुमार। आप देख रहे हो नेशनल सनसनी न्यूज नेटवर्क का खास कार्यक्रम बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है डीएवी पुलिस पब्लिक स्कूल पलवल में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसा रहने वाला है आज डीएवी पुलिस पब्लिक स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बच्चे की स्पीच आपको अच्छी लगे उसके लिए वोट जरूर करें। केवल सब्सक्राइबर और फॉलोवर ही वोट कर सकते हैं, तो जो हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे देख रहे हैं हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, और जो हमारे फेसबुक पेज पर देख रहे हैं हमारे फेसबुक पेज को फॉलो करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज़्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी, और जिस बच्चे की जितनी अच्छी रैंक होगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है आज डीएवी पुलिस पब्लिक स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन।
A person without education is a bird without his wings. Good morning audience, I am Tani Boswal, a student of grade 9th, and today I would like to say some words on the topic girl education. As you all know, education is the most important aspect of our life. It gives a person the power of knowledge so that they can utilize it and achieve their dreams and ambitions. However, gender discrimination often leads to girls being deprived of education. Girls are capable of doing everything, and yet every opportunity is consistently taken away from them due to prejudices. Educating girls give them chances to prove themselves equal to men in every aspect and to make use of all their capabilities. We must strive to educate girls because they are very important in all our lives, as they are leading us in our present and will also in our future. To conclude, we must do our best to educate girls, because to educate a woman is to educate the whole generation. Thank you.
Education makes a people easy to lead but difficult to be driven, easy to govern but impossible to enslave. Good morning audience, I Kanishka from class 9th. I'm here to tell you something about the importance of education in human life. Education is the backbone of a country. It is an integral tool that aids the development of human civilization. It equips the nation with workforce, uplifts the awareness among the general public, and promotes the national unity. A life without education is valueless. Through the role that education plays in the mental and intellectual advancement of individual, it also helps in the physical, emotional, and spiritual growth of the person. Study and learning transforms the life of a person. Education is important for us in many ways, as it gives us knowledge, it teaches us the lessons of humanity, it compresses good thoughts in human being, and contributes to the human development and gives us employment and identity in their society. To conclude, education gives the right or the ability to read or write or to communicate with anyone, everywhere. Good education is extremely important for everyone to grow or to succeed in life. Education increases self-confidence and assists in developing the personality of a person. It plays a big role in everyone's life. Nowadays, it is mandatory for everyone to be educated. Thank you.
One cannot think well, learn well, sleep well if one has not dined well. Good morning audience, I am Khushi Tawar, a student of grade 9th. Today I would like to express my views on the topic food. So, food is not rational, food is culture, habit, craving and identity. As you all know, food is one of the basic necessities of the life. It contains nutrients that are substances essential for growth, repair and maintenance of the body tissues and for the regulation of vital processes. Nutrients in food is measured in units called calories. Although food is the fuel that keeps us running throughout the day, and it also supports the body's metabolic process and ensures that we remain healthy. Not eating a healthy and balanced diet leads to deficiency of diseases and weakness. In the last, I wish you all to stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you.
It's not that we use technology, we live technology. Good morning audience, I am Bhavna, a student of class 9. I am here to express my opinion on technology, which has taken a tremendous role in our day-to-day life. We are in a generation where everything is dependent on technology. Now let's understand what is technology through the lens of science. Technology comes in the form of tangible physical and mental force which is used to achieve something that adds value. For example, a mobile phone is tangible, but the network connecting to the mobile phone is intangible. Technology has taken its place as indispensable in our day-to-day life, whereas it also results in economic benefits, better healthcare, time saving, and better lifestyle. Through technology, we can increase our knowledge in our day-to-day life to get solve our problems. We can get done our work effectively as long as you know how to access technology. It can be proved beneficial for the people of all age greatly. Technology is continuously modified, updating every passing year. The evolution of technology has made it possible to do a lot of work in less time. Technology has given us tools and machines to solve the problems around the world. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I Nandini, a student of class 9, am here to speak about books are our best companion. The poet Robert Southey has beautifully called his book Never Failing Friend and converses every day. The books enlighten, give knowledge, entertain and inform us whether we read books printed on paper or telebooks. Their importance cannot be denied. They fill our mind and heart with hope and joy. Writers like Tagore have put forward to us their goals and teaching. Books often provide a person with ability to judge right or wrong and courage to follow the path, righteous path. They follow क्या बोलना है सर? थैंक यू। आप सभी को मेरा आदरपूर्ण नमस्कार। मैं खुशी कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा आज आप सभी के समक्ष कबीर जी की कुछ साखियाँ प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जो कि कुछ इस प्रकार है। हस्ती चढ़िए ज्ञान को सहज दुलीचा डारी, स्वान रूप संसार है भूखन दे झक मारी। अर्थात इस पंक्ति में कबीर जी कहते हैं कि तुम ज्ञान रूपी हाथी पर सहज रूपी कालीन बिछाकर अपने मार्ग में आगे बढ़ते रहो। ऐसा करते समय यह संसार जो कि स्वान के समान है तुम्हारी आलोचना करता रहता है, लेकिन उसे संसार वालों की परवाह नहीं करनी चाहिए और ज्ञान की प्राप्ति करते रहनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
आप सभी को मेरा आदरपूर्ण नमस्कार। मैं तन्वी पोसवाल कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा आज आप सभी के समक्ष कबीर जी की कुछ साखियाँ प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। वे कुछ इस प्रकार है। काबा फिरी काशी भया, राम ही भया रहीम, मोटे चून मैदा भया, बैठे कबीरा जी। अर्थात जो व्यक्ति धार्मिक कटुता छोड़ दे उसको एहसास होगा कि काबा ही काशी है और राम ही रहीम है। कहने का आशय यह है कि हम सभी को भगवान द्वारा बनाया गया है। इसी कारण हमें जाति, धर्म आदि को भुलाकर भगवान की सच्चे मन से प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम नंदिनी है। मैं कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के सामने एक श्लोक प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरा श्लोक कुछ इस प्रकार है। यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारतम अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजमयं परित्रणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थे संभवानि युगे युगे। अर्थात जब जब धर्म की हानि होने लगती है और अधर्म बढ़ने लगता है तब तब मैं स्वयं की रचना करता हूँ, अर्थात जन्म लेता हूँ। लोगों की रक्षा के लिए और धर्म की पुनः स्थापना के लिए मैं अलग अलग युगों में अवधारित होता रहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम भावना है और मैं 9वीं कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी को एक दोहा सुनाने वाली हूँ। वो कुछ इस प्रकार है। वाणी रस्य यस्य यस्य श्रमति क्रिया लक्ष्मी दानवती यस्य सफल तस्य जीवना। और इसका अर्थ है जिसकी वाणी रसीली होती है, जिसके कार्य परिश्रमी होते हैं, लक्ष्य जो उदार होता है, उसका जीवन भी सफल होता है।